My favorite part about all this is all the birds, the bee eaters. And they just come in and have these beautiful long tails, the incredible color. They're just, I mean, you can watch them all day. You know, historically, what you would have had would have been lightning strikes or things of that nature, and fires would have raged for months. Now, it's a little bit more controlled. We have to be more controlled about how we do this stuff. It's all part of the conservation effort that's being done here.